Sometime in the past, there was a scientist working on his laboratory, and for the last few days or weeks, he was going through a lot of headache, and that headache had an unexplained occurrence. So he just went out and tried to free his mind and just tried to take a fresh breath of air. And when he went upstairs of his building, he found that there was a large air conditioner, and that large air conditioner across the building was making a lot of noise. And that noise was the reason for the headache, which was causing a lot of unease to the scientist. Then he went on the rabbit hole of science of sound, and then he thought of an experiment. So, what he devised was some kind of a police siren, but of a large scale. And because of its large scale, he hired an assistant to operate that particular police siren, or rather, the apparatus to produce that kind of a sound. The moment the switch was turned on of that siren, immediately the assistant died. And when the examination was performed of the dead corpse of the assistant, they found out that his rather the internal organs, completely went jelly. Just in few seconds of that sound, his entire internal body parts, organs turned into jelly. That's the power of sound. And that is why when you say anything, just imagine what kind of energy or power your entire body is producing. And when you hear something, just imagine the kind of impact it could have on you. That is the reason why we sometimes get drawn towards music and we start headbanging or we do all sorts of crazy stuff.